If you recently bought a MacBook Pro Retina or the MacBook Air just 1 or 2 generations back, there's no need to go out and buy a whole new computer just for a few minor improvements. All you need is D-Link's wireless AC1000 dual-band USB adapter or the DWA 180 to get your Mac up to speed with the latest in wireless technology, 802.11ac. Coupled with an AC router, you can get speeds up to 3 times faster over wireless N, while also getting improved wireless signal strength and reliability. It's an easy upgrade. Here's how to do it. To start, let's see what comes in the box. You get an installation CD and other documentation, but most new Macs don't have an optical drive, so you'll need to go online to get the drivers. But we'll get to that in a minute. You also have the DWA 180 wireless AC USB adapter with a USB connection under the cap, and a WPS button for easy connection to a WPS-enabled router. Now let's install it. On your Mac, open up a web browser and navigate to dlink.com/support. Search on your device the DWA 180, click the Downloads tab, and under Drivers, click the Download button for Mac. Now, depending on your connection, give it a moment to download. And once it's finished, open the folder, click on your version of OS X. Here we're using OS X 10.8 Mountain Lion, and extract the contents. Click the installer package to launch the setup wizard. Now follow the prompts to install the drivers. You might be prompted to enter your computer password. And once you're finished, you'll be prompted to restart your computer. Do so, and now you're free to insert the DWA 180 into an available USB port. When your Mac starts up, the wireless utility will automatically open. Click on Available Networks, select your wireless network. Hopefully it's a wireless AC network, but the DWA 180 is also backwards compatible with older wireless signals as well. And if you have a network password, you'll be prompted to enter it. And that's it, you're connected, just like connecting to any other wireless network. Everything's wireless, and wireless reliability and speed are just as important as your computer's reliability and speed. So upgrading your Mac to give you the latest in wireless technology at an affordable price is just common sense. Thanks for watching.